In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jupyter Notebook for presentation. By the end, you'll have a clean, audience-friendly notebook that combines clear narrative with concise code and readable output. First, go to Jupyter in your browser to open the main interface. From the top menu, click File, then hover over New. Choose Notebook to create a fresh workspace. You'll see your first cell appear as a code cell. For a presentation, it helps to guide your audience with headings and short explanations. So change a cell's type from code to markdown using the cell type dropdown on the toolbar. In that markdown cell, add a strong title and a one-sentence overview of what you're about to show. Use a single hash for a large title, 2 hashes for subsections, and keep sentences short so they're easy to follow on screen. Next, click the plus sign to insert a new cell. Leave this one as a code cell so we can demonstrate a simple example. We'll create a tiny data set and display it as a table. Type the following exactly as you hear it. Import pandas. As PD, data equals month, Jan, Feb, Mar, sales, 1000, 1000, 500, 2000, DFE, qual, PD. Data frame data, DF. This snippet imports pandas, builds a small dictionary with months and sales, converts it into a data frame, and then shows the table by placing DF on the last line. Run the cell by clicking Run on the toolbar, or press Shift plus Enter. You should now see a neat 2-column table with the months and their sales, perfect for a quick demo, slide, or discussion point. To make your notebook truly presentation ready, place a brief markdown cell before each code cell to explain the goal. Keep code cells focused on one idea, and ensure outputs are compact and legible. If you encounter an error, it's often a small typo like a missing comma or bracket. Fix it and run the cell again. This approach keeps your flow smooth and your audience engaged. And that's it. You've created a concise, presentation-ready Jupyter Notebook with headings, code, and clear output.